Tonight we're here as a cycling community to call for urgent action. We won't be ignored, and we know from previous incidents that when we make our voices heard, and we keep making them heard, week on week, year on year, that changes can be made at dangerous locations such as this that may help prevent further deaths and serious injuries in the future.
The latest victim was a 27-year-old woman cycling her bike. We know it's a killer bridge, and it's recognised as a killer bridge by Wandsworth Council, by the Royal Borough of Kensington and Chelsea, and by TfL. So what are they doing about it? Well, I'll tell you. They procrastinate, they wring their hands, and they dilute. There is no accountability, and even unavoidable death doesn't resonate with them. A life should not be cut tragically short by the inept and self-evidently callous approach of local politicians who fail miserably to do a professional job. Why aren't Will Norman and Sadiq Khan of TfL demanding more, demanding better from these woeful councils? This is why we campaign day in, day out, evening in, evening out. This is why LCC and all the volunteers in our borough groups keep going, to hold local politicians to account. We rally our cycling community and demand change. We won't stop campaigning. Thank you.
Thank you for coming tonight. It's been very moving and emotional for me, certainly, to see that kind of collective action. So thank you again, and for taking part, and for all the work that you do day in, day out to make London a safer place to cycle and a better city to live in.